Thank you for buying from us. After powering the clock, you can press the dimmer button to adjust the brightness. There are 6 levels for you to choose. Press the 12 or 24-hour button to change the time format before setting the clock. This part, I will show how to set time. Press the time set button to enter time setting. The hour flash. Press the up or down button to set hour. Then press the time set button again to enter minute setting. The minute flash. Press the up or down button to set minute. When you finish, press again to enter setup. Press the alarm button to enter alarm setting. The hour flash. Press the up or down button to set hour. Then press alarm button again to enter minute setting. The minute flash. Press the up or down button to set minute. Press alarm button again to enter alarm sound setting. Press the up or down button to choose from 1 to 8. The last one alarm sound is FM radio. Press and hold the alarm button for 3 seconds to turn on or off alarm 1. Press the radio button to enter FM radio mode. Then, press and hold the radio button for 3 seconds to unscatter and set channels. When you finish, press the up or down button to choose your favorite channel. When the radio is on, press the up or down button to choose the channel you like. Then press and hold the dimmer button until the icon AL displays. It makes this channel as the alarm wake-up sound. Turn on the radio. Press the sleep button to set timing from 10 minutes to 2 hours.